Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to get up to 500,000 naira loan from Jumia Pay loan platform. So this is their official website, and this loan process only available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So you have to download the Jumia Pay app before you have access to this. But I'm gonna also walk you through some other features you're gonna get with this Jumia Pay app. So you're gonna see that you can also buy airtime, pay for utility bill, shop all your day needs in just one place. So the app is available from Google Play Store. It's available on App Gallery and also available on Apple App Store. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see what you'll be getting. So you can get 30 naira off of 500 naira airtime purchase. You can buy data from the Jumia Pay app, TV subscription plan, which of course they're gonna charge you zero fee. So you see the electricity payment, so as well as internet access. So you can also see betting loan. So you see bank transfer, which cost is 0%, zero fee actually. Then bus and education purpose. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see some other features like lifestyle offering and some other stuff like that. So you can see there are a lot of features inside the Jumia Pay app. But what you just need to do is just to download the app from Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or App Gallery. So from there you can then proceed. So if you are using the official website or their URL, which is pay.jumia.com.ng, so you're gonna still end up on this certain page, and from there you can just proceed on to download the app from here. So all you just need to do is just click on the loan option. Then from this, you're gonna load this particular page. And you can see, unfortunately, this service only available on Android device. So that is if I'm using an Android, but currently I'm on PC right now. So you can see loans option. Would you like to apply for a loan? So you can see loan powered by Quick Check. So Jumia partner with Quick Check app, which of course they offer a loan, and Quick Check is also a standalone platform as well that you can get a loan from them. So you can see borrow money up to 500,000 naira straight from your phone to make everyday life easier for yourself. So you're gonna see loan application process and what they're gonna need from you in order to get started with the loan. So you can also see why you should take a loan from Jumia Pay. So you're gonna see that it's very easy loan application process without taking long time to fill in your details before you can be able to get a loan from the platform. You're gonna see no collateral is required, very low interest rate, repayment is very easy, bigger loan, lower interest rate on subsequent loan. And you're gonna see how to apply for the loan platform. Visit the Jumia Pay Android app, scroll down to the financial service section and click on loan. Then provide all the requested information which they're gonna ask from you, and provide the email requirement and other details that they're gonna send loan to that particular bank. And once your details is approved, they're gonna send the payment directly to the provided bank you send to them. So you're gonna see this particular section, we click on next, but then due to the fact that I'm currently on PC, I won't be able to click on the next since it doesn't support PC option. But then you can just proceed using the mobile app, or if you want me to walk you through the all details about using it on Android device, you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to walk you through the details from A to Z on how you can apply for the loan using an Android device. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.